Hello, your resume has been approved. Please add me on WhatsApp. Good morning, guys. Family, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Please let us stop and share. Let's stop and share. Let's stop, let's stop, let's stop, let's stop. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for sharing. Let us stop and share, guys. Thank you all for sharing. Let us stop and share. Let's stop and share. SML, thank you for typing. Thank you so much. Let's get to 2K live so that we can start, guys. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Individuals, thank you. Yeah, good morning, brother.
Respect.
What's up now? How you doing, brother?
Morning.
Good morning, sir. I greet you.
I do.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Yes, sir. How you go now?
It be like say you can't late today.
Nine. I came late few minutes. I think just 10 minutes after.
Maybe I've been thinking say maybe I'll get class today, but the class won't come old like this.
Okay, no old. Yeah. Yeah.
Man, I like that one.
That's good.
boss.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. 1.9K. All right, so we're on 2K. Thank you so much. All right, so let's get into the business for today. All right, so with the trade that we took yesterday, we have 3 trades yesterday. So 2 was SL, 1 was TP. So the one that gave us the TP was about 2.60 something. So we have 2 SL. So which means we are just up in small profits. Okay. Because if you remove those 2 SL from that our win trade, that win trade give us 2 point something, 60 something thereabouts. So we're still up with like at least half of a percent, half of 1% at the moment. And today is Tuesday, so let us get prepared for more challenges, for more SLs. Okay, and let us see how it's going to go. By the grace of God, maybe we might see have a good week or either way. Anyhow. Proper risk management matters. Okay, so now this is V50. All right, this V50. Let's see what we have on this 50. If there's an opportunity, we start this live today in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. God should help us throughout. God should help us throughout this live stream. Amen. Okay, this is V51S. Let's go straight to 3 months. So people on YouTube, you're all welcome. You can drop your comments if you want to ask any question. Okay, and please let us like. My family on the YouTube, let us click on the like button and share the live. Thank you. Okay, so here we go on 3 month time frame. On our 3 month time frame, market give us a nice push to the downside. When we have this nice push, okay, we have this lower highs. It created this higher low, lower highs, higher low, before we have this higher high. So from this higher high, there's probability that market might reject from just to do some pullback and start pushing to the upside. So where I think market can actually get to for this buy, market can actually use this support area where you're seeing this Microsoft, this support area. Market can push all the way down here before it will continue pushing to the upside. We might have that. Okay, so let's zoom and see. Let us mark out a fib level from this our high to this low. Now look at where I pointed my zone here, this 50%, where we have this open and close. I hope market can actually push to that level at least before we have that reversal. So there's possibility that market can still drop to this area and push up. Okay, it might actually happen. So let's go straight to our monthly time frame. So this is our monthly time frame. Okay, on our monthly time frame, you realize that market was consolidating. When market pushed down like this, it was what? Consolidating here before we have this push. So this push now, market might actually use this area of resistance level, okay, and give us what? Another higher high to the upside. Do you understand? Market can actually do that. But nevertheless, you see this extreme zone here, market can still come back for it, because you see this leg here is an engineer liquidity. This is an inducement for this area. Anything can stop. Anything can stop. But at the moment where market is actually rejecting from, is reacting from, is this our support area on our monthly. Okay, this support zone, you see that area, that is where market is reacting from at the moment. Please, let's start. So let us go to our weekly and see what we have on weekly. Okay, on our weekly time frame, here we go. Okay, this was the zone I said market is reacting from. Okay, that was the zone market is what reacting from at the moment. So there's probability that we might have just a pullback like this and push down, or market can start pushing up to the upside. So those are the two things that is likely to happen around that point. Okay, so let's zoom. All right, so last week candle, which was this one, look at the way it rejects from this support area. Look at the way it rejects from here, which is very nice. So from this area now, where I expect market to actually react from, of course we might have some reaction from this area, but the main place I'm seeing this guy reacting from is actually this zone where we have this support that becomes our resistance. Okay, which is our what, WR. So if you zoom, okay, you realize that we have this upper shadow right here, which is a liquidity to this area. So there's probability that market might start pushing to that point or reject from this guy to the other side. So let us just mark out this area. Okay, let's have it like this, so that in case we can use that area for what, for a target. Let me use this as target. Okay, so let's go to daily now. Please, let's tap and share. So now on our daily time frame, like I said, this was the reaction coming from that our weekly zone. And on daily, can you see the way market came down here and tapping for a buy around here? All right, so this was the target I was hoping for, which is on daily time frame. That is where market is reacting from at the moment. So if you look at that level, that is where market is what, reacting from. Market is reacting from that zone. So do you think that area can actually push this market to the downside, or is going to push this market by giving us what, a push down a bit, then break out? Okay, so let's see. Let's zoom. Now yesterday candle, we have what, a rejection. Look at the way this candle give us a nice rejection. So from this rejection, there's probability that market can come back to this area of support, or to come and give us inverse head and shoulder. Okay, which is, this is the what, shoulder, head. Maybe can come and give us another shoulder here. So let's go to 4 hours and see. Now on 4 hours, the reaction is what, we have this nice 4-hour resistance level here. Can you see that zone? 4-hour resistance level with a rejection. Okay, with what, a rejection right here. So let us go to 1 hour and see what is going on there. I will come back to this 4 hours. All right, beautiful. So this is our what? Our 1 hour. 1 hour give us from this area after the rejection. Market give us this low, inducement leg, lower low. Market take the inducement leg out, tap in here, and now it wants to start dropping. Maybe we might have a drop. Maybe we might have a drop. So let us quickly go back to the 4 hours and let me show you something on 4 hours. So if at all, if this guy wants to buy, if this guy wants to buy, you see this area is where market can actually use. Okay, so we can use this area as target, even though if we are selling. Now, we can use this area as our target. Okay, because from the breakout here, market created this nice inducement leg before we have this push. So let us see if market can come and take it out and reject to the upside or continue breaking lower. So we can actually look for what? A selling opportunity around this area. Okay, because this market is actually on a downtrend, so let us capitalize on that. Okay, now let's go back to our 1 hour now. So this is our 1 hour time frame. Please let us start. Let's start. So what I have here is I have this beautiful trend line here. There's this trend line that I have here, which I think I'm going to I will use to confirm this sell. Okay, let me put this one as our 1T. Where is it? Oh my god, that is my 1T. Please let's stop. Market is respecting this one at the moment. And if you look at this area, that is where we have this our 1 hour support area. Okay, so I have this area. If market can actually break it, that is more confirmation that okay, market is ready to actually push lower. Okay, maybe market is ready to push lower. So please, I want you to call my attention to this guy. Once it's 10 o'clock, let us come back here and see if this 1 hour candle can be able to break it below. If we can break it below, we can engage for a sell. We're gonna put our SL maybe above here, then we go lower. So let me go to 15 minutes. Let me see the 15 minutes around here. Okay, so please just call my attention to this guy. Just call my attention to it. Once it's 1 hour, okay? Once we have a break, of course, we see what we're gonna do. This 51S, all right. 75 1S, okay. Please let's stop and share. So If you check this guy, market breakout from this our rising wedge. Okay, market broker from the rising wedge. So there's probability that we might actually have a drop. So let me check the daily, weekly first. Please let's tap and share. So this is our weekly time frame. Okay. So on this our weekly time frame, you see that this was the zone I explained the market was what respecting before it breakout, and immediately market breakouts. Look at series of rejections that we have here. Okay, before we have this massive push again to the upside. So this kind of massive push, market might consolidate here a bit, then push up again. But with the way market is doing, is trying to give us some push to the downside. And where is this guy reacting from? Let us zoom. Please let's tap on share. This is on the weekly time frame. So let us mark this area. Okay. Let's see, maybe we have a break. Now look at that. Market is giving us, it gives us a little break. Okay. But this kind of break can actually still push this market to the downside. So what I'm going to do now is let us mark out a 50% of this kind of range from here to where? To this zone. Let us mark. Okay, good. So let's mark this 50% range. All right, perfect. Perfect. This area. So that 50% range, let me mark it as target. All right, good. So market can actually push down to that area and do what? Reject from that point. So maybe this area that we are seeing here can actually make the market to reverse to this area. So because market has done what? Broke out from this rising wedge. So let's go to daily now. We just need to react to what is going on. That is what we are trying to do. We are only reacting. So now on daily time frame, now we have this guy that is holding this market. Can you see this guy? This is what our DS that is holding the market for now. So this area, if market give us a nice confirmation for a buy, we take a buy continuation. But if this guy should break below, we take a sell to this our target, this guy, the 50%, this area. That's where we're going to take the sell to. I don't know if you're following. Because if this sell should hold, this is a M pattern that market is trying to form. Okay, it push up. This is a neckline, equal high. Market is on the neckline. So once we have a break, we take a sell to at least 50%. Okay, at least 50%. So market has gotten to this neckline. This is the neckline now for this M pattern. Okay, that is the neckline. So there's probability that market can actually still use that zone to give us what? Equal lows and start pushing up to the upside. So it's not going to be like a fake out on this our rising wedge. Okay, on this our rising wedge. But at the moment, we are going to wait. So before we can take a trade on this V75, it's going to be tomorrow. Got this particular candle will decide. Either we continue our buy or we go for sell. So we're going to 4 hours or 1 hour. We have no business there today. Today, we have no business. We have no business here today. So by tomorrow, we're going to know. Maybe we are going to have another fake out, just like the way we have it here. Maybe we are going to have another one, which is going to give us a nice buy to the upside. Or we eventually have the break. Once we have the break, we continue our sell to the downside. Are we good, guys? So that is that for this V75. So which one next, please? V75 ordinary. Okay. Yeah, good morning. V75 ordinary. Let's check what we have here. OA2. Okay. Let's start from 3 months. Please, let's keep tapping, family. Thank you. Let's keep tapping. All right, so on our 3-month time frame, okay, we have a push, a little pullback, a push. Is doing some kind of massive pullback. So we want to see another push again. So this pullback that is actually doing, I want market to at least get to where? Get to this guy. Okay, where we have this fair value gap. Can you see that area? Where we have the fair value gap. So on monthly, you're going to see it clearly. Now let's go to monthly. Okay, it's looking clearer. By the time we go to weekly, daily, you're going to see that particular zone right there. So what do we have on this, our monthly? Monthly has already given us a kind of equal low that is looking like lower low, lower highs, higher low. Change of character around there to the upside. So all this area market was what? Consolidating on lower time frame before it starts doing this. Okay, so market has broken out from this range, this resistance level. Market broke out. Immediately market broke out. What do we have? Okay, immediately market broke out. All right, market did not come back here to at least do some pullback. So let us mark this our zone out. Please, let's tap and share this live stream. We have this our resistance area that becomes support now, which is our monthly support MS. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where is this MS? Okay, that is our MS right there. Okay, please, people on the thing, click on the like button and share the live stream for me. Thank you. Share the live stream and click on the like button. Okay, so we have a break from this area and we have a break from this area as well, where market give us this indecision candle and break down again. So where do you think this guy is likely to get to? Like I said, this zone that I mark and this particular area, market has used it by rejecting this candle. All right, so let us go to our weekly time frame now. We are looking for more buys. That is what we are actually looking for. Beautiful. So this is what we have on our weekly. So you see this area is going to be area of where we are actually going to target. Okay, where we're actually going to target. So we're gonna be marking this guy here, this area, our weekly resistance. Okay, our weekly resistance, the market broke. All right, so market is actually approaching that area for some pullbacks. So let us mark this guy as our weekly support now. It becomes a support, but there's probability that we might still have somewhat continuation before market will even come back here. All right, so we're going to see the reason why we're having this rejection. This guy here, we're going to see the reason maybe on daily or 4 hours. Let's go to daily now. We are looking for buys. That is what we're actually looking for. So this is our daily. Okay, beautiful. So on this daily, you all can see that market has given us what? We have this low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So market can actually push all the way down to this level and buy again and continue the what? The buy. Market can use this area guy, reject and continue the buy. All these guys just going to be a what? Liquidity area, engineered liquidity. Please let us tap and share. Okay, so why are we having this? Why is market giving us this area? Why? Let's go check. Okay, it's actually reacting from this guy here. Okay, all this zone, that's where market is reacting, and I'm seeing this guy as just a liquidity area. So this is the area that market can actually still use for a continuation for a sell. All right, this virgin girl that is standing here, this virgin girl has been diverging. The resistance level has been diverging right there. So let's go to the current market now. Boom. So here is the current market. Okay, and we might actually have some rejections, but it all depends. It depends on the confirmation. We are having some kind of rejections from here, which this area make a lot of sense to me as well. This is our DS. Why is it making a lot of sense? We have a liquidity from this breaker block that happened right here. This liquidity here. Okay, so now let us go to 4 hours. Maybe it's giving us a kind of buying opportunity, or we are going to wait. Okay, so now if you look at these 4 hours, all right, if you look at this breaker block that happened here, it has been mitigated by this guy. It has been mitigated there. So all this one where they push back, this guy is still going to push lower. So what I'm going to do now is to be patient. Because all these legs, I'm seeing market taking them out. All these legs here is a form of what? Inducement area. Okay, by the time you go to your daily time frame, that was the zone I said market created as what? Inducement zone. So I expect market to come and take that zone out, then probably give us a nice rejection from here where we can engage for a buy. So we are on a waiting period on this daily time frame. So even though with this we can go ahead and go to 50 million and see if there's an opportunity for a sell. Okay, so let's quickly do that. Let's go to that 4 hours again. Please let us tap and share. So this one where market the bounce back is trying to do some pullback on lower time frame. Let's check the 1 hour now. Okay, so this is the 1 hour. All right, this is the 1 hour. So market can actually push up to this guy. Okay, whenever you have a massive drop like this, all right, just try as much as possible to use the breaker block for what? A continuation for a sell. Killer I greet you especially. So let us mark out this fib. Let us use this high to this low. Beautiful. So this area is actually like a golden zone area that market can come back to use. So if I see a selling opportunity around there, we are going to go in for that sell. Okay, we are going to go in for that sell. So let us mark out this guy. And let us go back to the 4 hours. It's like we are having alignment. Let me see the 4 hour zone. Okay, so the 4 hours zone is here. Let us just use the 4 hour. Here is better. I prefer that area. So I will now begin to look for alignment on around that zone with 15 minutes. Okay, so that's what we have there. So let me check the 15 minutes now. Okay, so this is the 15 minutes area. All right. Okay, so let's see what will happen around there. Maybe we're going to have a nice sell from that zone. So please call my attention to this. Once is, let me see this 1 hour. Once is 11 o'clock. Call my attention. Once it's 11 o'clock, let us come back to this V75 ordinary. Please, let's tap on share. V50. Please, let's tap. Encourage. I want to be seeing that love emoji. So V50, let's see if there's opportunity for more buys. Let's go to daily or weekly. There is a particular zone I want this guy to get to. So on our weekly, okay, can you see? I want to see when this bearish candle, give us a rejection from this support, okay, giving us this rejection from this support. I want this guy to push up to at least to this area or to keep pushing to the upside. All right, but at the moment, this resistance is where market is reacting from now. So market is actually reacting from this resistance level, this weekly resistance level at the moment. So let us go to the daily and see what is going on. And if you look at this daily has broken out, right? And look at the liquidity I marked, guys. Look at the liquidity here that I marked. This liquidity, okay? So now we already have a break from this resistance level. At all, we can still take a buy to this guy. You see this area? That is going to be the next target. So let us just tag this as well, target. Okay. So for market to break this resistance level, this candle, right, it broke it. So this present candle is giving us some kind of reaction to the downside, but it's not forming a CLT. It didn't sweep this high. So let us go to 4 hours and see where market can use maybe any strong breaker block that is around there. Okay, where the breaker block is actually far, which is around there. We have this one, this guy. So it's very far. All right. So this daily resistance, right, that becomes support. Let me go back to daily. Let me see again. That is where market is rejecting from at the moment. Yeah. So it has become support area. Let's go to 4 hours. This guy is now the what? Our daily support. Okay, so that is the daily support we have. So let us zoom. So let us see the way market has been reacting. Let's see how market has been reacting. Okay, market give us what? An indecision with a long leg above. Okay, indecision candle. All right, and this bearish candle almost closed without a wick. We have a small wick. It almost closed without a wick. And this candle actually give us what? It did not close below it by creating a what? 4-hour support here. Look at the way this candle is creating 4-hour support, which is a CLT to this, all right? And this present candle as well, market is not what? Is not breaking. We have about 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, this candle is going to close. So if this candle close like this, there's probability that we might have some push to the upside or market might still break to the downside. because this resistance level, we have this rejection coming from it. So let's see why we have that rejection, which is this this rejection. Let's zoom and check. Now if you look at this area, market has not even got it to this point. Look at that, market has not mitigated that area. Can you see? Market has not mitigated it. So let us take it out. But we just need to be careful if you are taking a buy from this area. Now let's go to 1 hour. If there is what? A breaker block beneath that zone. All right, so this is our 1 hour time frame. If you look at what 1 hour has done here, we have market created this low, it created this lower high, we have higher low, and we have lower high. Our market has already created another was lower low white share. So from this lower low, before we can agree that this guy is going to buy, he has to form what? A higher high, then higher low. Then from that higher low, we take a buy. I don't know if you get it. Then we take what? A buy from this higher low right here. Market must break this high to the upside. I will good. So we just know that we have what? Market take this low out by creating this higher high, then start pushing to the upside. All right. So let me see. Okay. A market can still push lower to come to this area before it buys. So let us change it to line charts. Let me see it properly here. Aha. So you see this zone, this guy, market can come back here and reject. Very good. So now let us go back to our candle. This is the candle. So we might have some rejections from this point. We might have some rejections from this point, but it all depends. Let us see how this guy is going to give us a higher high to the upside and give us a higher low. Then we push. Change of character around there. Crystals, good morning. How are you doing? What's up? Okay, so that is what I have on this V50. So I think we talked about gold yesterday. Let me even see the updates. I said you should look for buy around one particular zone there. Okay. Now wow, see the thing where I draw. Market can't dey respect that. Market dey respect the drawing. Market can't dey respect my drawing where I draw for you. See how you dey give us rejection. Now he's pushing back again to now let's go to 4 hours, because I told you guys that you should look for buying opportunity from there. The market is likely to come down to this daily support. So actually, market came down to this daily support, but we have a break. Market closed below it. All right. Now it's giving us a nice CLT here. Okay. Our market is trying to push to the upside. So on 4 hours, please let's start. So this is the 4 hours time frame. Okay. This is the 4 hours time frame. Our market has already created 4 hours support with a rejection here. So let me see the 1 hour where market is likely to start pushing up again. Okay. So market can just use a fib level right here. So market can start reversing from this area. Okay, that is for gold. Market can start reversing from that area to the upside. Okay, so if you think you want to trade gold, just look for that pullback and wait for confirmation, a reversal pattern around there. Okay, then you can look for your buy from there. V25 1S, please let's start. We never still see opportunity. Oh. Okay, Krista said there's news today by 1:30, so you guys should be very careful with that. I'm not reading it actually, but you guys should be careful. How are you, brother?
Nice, sir. That's so nice, sir.
We bless God.
Thank you. After your BTC, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, boss. Now, this is our weekly time frame, okay? This is weekly time frame. So on this weekly time frame, or let me see the overall first on 3 months so that I can really remember what I was trying to do. Okay, on 3 months, market was giving us a bullish trend. We push up to this area, massive push down, push up again, push up, is small indecision here, push up, and now market is doing this again, trying to push down. I'm still going to see this guy push up again, but for now it's trying to push down. So on monthly time frame, market is trying to give us what we call M pattern here, which is equal highs. All right, and this is a neckline. So we have the room to take a trade to the neckline. Possibly market is trying to form M pattern, but at least we can still look for more sales to the neckline. So now this area, this support guy, we want to see market get here. So this is going to be the target. Okay, so let us just name it as well target. Let us just name that zone as target. So let's go to weekly time frame. So we are looking for sell now. All right. So look at that. Market is actually approaching that zone. Okay. And this is our weekly time frame. For the past 4 weeks, market has been bearish. See that? Bearish, 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 and bearish. So this week, this bearish can actually continue to this level. So we can begin to look for selling opportunity. Let's go to daily time frame now. All right, let's go to daily. So this is daily. All right, look at what happened on this daily. Market actually consolidates here for a while. When market break this low to the downside, we have this rejection. So I was expecting market to push back here so that we can sell this area, so that we can do what, so that we can sell. But market is not doing that. Now we have a break. Look at the break that we have here on daily. Market break this our support. You see, it broke it. So let's go to 4 hours now. Let's see. Now this is our 4 hours time frame. Okay, so on 4 hours time frame, did market break this 4 hours? Let's confirm. This guy, this support area, market has not actually break it. It's still respecting that zone. You see it? Market is respecting this area. But I'm seeing this guy breaking it. Okay, I'm seeing it breaking it. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. So look at our 1 hour. Can you see that level? So 1 hour has already given us what? Another rejection here. Look at this support area. Boom. Look at that area, which is our 1HS. So let us zoom. Now look at that. So market came all the way down and give us a nice CLT confirmation here. Give us a nice CLT confirmation for a buy to this level. I'm not going for a buy. I am going for a sell. I want us to sell this guy. Okay, I want us to sell this particular guy. So we have what? A nice rejection from this area. A market has created this resistance level that market can come back to use. And this is another resistance that market can use as what? As head and shoulder. This is going to be the head. This is going to be the shoulder, and we're going to be having another shoulder here. So it's possible that we might have this with confirmation. Then we go for our what? For our sell. Please let's tap and share. Then we go for our sell. So now let's go back to that 4 hours now. So this is the 4 hours. So we just need to be very, very careful with what we want to do around that point. Okay. We need to stay patient and see, just to wait for a break. That is what I would love to see. And with the way that I'm seeing it, I'm seeing market breaking it. So we engaging for a sell there, putting our SL above here. Okay, putting our SL above here. How? Let me see something here first. So let's go to 1 hour. Please let's stop. Alright. So now what we're just going to do right now is, I think we should wait for market to come back to this area to give us a confirmation. Okay. I want to go for sale. I don't want to go for this buy. This thing will happen for you. I don't want to go for that at all. It is the sell I will want to go for. From that point, a sell I want to go. Let's tap and share, and we have this nice trend line here. So let's zoom. A lower low, lower highs. This has already happened for the sell. Okay. From this area, we have this lower low, lower highs, lower low, inducement leg. Market take this liquidity out. It tap in here for the sell. So the sell is on the ongoing at the moment from here to here. So there's probability. So two things are involved. If I see a rejection around there, I take a sell. Or if market should break below here, I take a sell. If market should break below here, we go for a sell. So we still have more room for this zone to get to this area. So it's still going to be catching a lot of pips there. So somebody should help me to check the price from here to know how volatile it is. Let us assume we are selling from this area. I will put SA here. Somebody should help me to check. I will put SA here. Let me put the... Or should we do sell stop? No, don't let us to do sell stop. Don't let us to do sell stop. So this is the SA here. Who is going to check for me, please? And yeah, the entry.
V25 1S, right?
V25 1S on 1 hour.
Okay.
So that's the price. Somebody should check the price for me. Oh! Okay, SML said is very volatile. Okay. He said it's very volatile. He said it's very volatile. Stop loss is $19. No, it can't be $121. SML. It can be $121. Kwepuala said $19. Okay. If it is $19, it's not much. So please, once it's 11, call my attention to this one too. So which pair did I say you should call my attention to once it's 10 o'clock? Nobody remember. With 0.01 lot size. Who remember the pair?
Sir, they do very well. Nah, B20. No. Yeah,
V22.
B70. No. B70.
You say it did very volatile. What is the price? What are you saying there?
Why? $20. I use 0.1.
The minimum lot size.
$20. Yes, give me $24.
Okay. So V75, Abby?
Yes.
No, not be V25. Oh. Now this V75, I said you should check by 11 o'clock. Okay, somebody said V50. Because me, I don't forget, so.
Yeah, I think it's V50. Yeah, it's true, it's V50.
Okay.
Yes.
Dan Baba.
Boss,
Well done, sir.
I don't know. Eh? Da na sauka shi na ƙara jin.
You see this guy? Market might actually push lower a bit. Market might push lower a bit. This our daily resistance level that becomes support. It might actually push down to this breaker that we have here. Let's see the 4 hours. This is the 4 hours. And this was the target I said we should target, right, for the sell. Let's go to 1 hour. Now, okay, the market can actually push down to this guy before we can have the sell. Okay, let's do this now. So 1 hour give us a nice resistance level here. A nice resistance level here. Please let us mute our mic. Bello Junior Alpha. So now we have this rejection. This rejection has broken this low. So I want to see market come back here. We're going to engage for a sell here. If market should come back here without getting to this area, we are going for a sell. So this is what 1HR. We will go for a sell to that point. Let me go to 15 minutes. Do you understand? So we're going to go for a sell from that point. If market push back here, give us a nice rejection, we're going for a sell. And this area is going to be the full target. Then we're out. Oluwasefunmi, good morning, sir. Hey, Nat Design, good morning. Thank you, Melo Junior. Thank you. So let us be patient with this as well. Let us be patient.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Please let me check V15. I'm on the buy.
V15, ordinary.
1S, sorry, 1S.
I've about say no ordinary for 15. Let's go to week 3 months. Please call my attention to that PL, that V50. Maybe the next 30 minutes. Next 30 minutes, call my attention. 15 minutes candle 2 times. So this is 3 months. While we having this rejection, let us check our fib level from this low to this high. Now, this is a nice area for a pullback, but market has been doing anyhow. Look at when market push up to this area, it still reject again. So we might just have a rejection and still drop again. So anything can stop around that point, because the last candle, the previous candle was an indecision candle. So the indecision means that you don't know if market is going to buy or sell. So monthly time frame. Can you see the monthly time frame? Look at what market has been doing around here for many months. You see the way market has been consolidating. If you count how many months that we have here now, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so market is not really giving a direction. That's why we have that indecision candle on that 3 months, the previous candle. That's why we are having that. So we need to understand all these things to know what we're going to do on lower time frame. So let's go to weekly now. All right, before we go to weekly, if you look at what happened here, we have a nice push to this up. It gives us this words, higher low, then higher high. So this support was being broken when we had this equal low before, but it got broken and we have rejections from there. Okay, we have rejections from this area. How many rejections? 3 rejections. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 3 rejections from there. Then when market created this rejection, we have another resistance level on our monthly, which last month candle gave us a nice rejection. So this guy, let us name this as our MR boom. Okay, now this is the rejection that we have. So what do you expect to do? I want to see market push up to a level where I'm going to be using on weekly for a continuation for a sell, because with the way I'm seeing this guy might still keep dropping. Yeah, it might still keep dropping to the downside, but this support area, market is still respecting it. This support was being broken. We have lower low. So this support, we have how many rejections? 3 rejections. 1, 2, 3. But if you look at the way those bearish candle was being printed, you will know that it's trying to force itself to break below. So there's tendency the market is likely to break below. But before it can break below, let us see how we can have a nice entry maybe around here. Okay, so let's go to weekly. So this is the weekly time frame. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, and this was the rejection that I said we have. Okay, or where is the rejection? Okay, sorry, this is the rejection. This I was the rejection that we have on that monthly, and this is the low that was what being taken out. All right, so this guy is going to be my liquidity, which market has already taken out. Liquidity taken out. So my entry, I'll be looking forward to sell from here. Anytime market gets here, I sell. So this is our weekly resistance level, WR. So now, look at the way market rejects here. Market tried to give us what we call head and shoulder here. That was what market did. So this head and shoulder now created what? It created the resistance level that I want to see market push up here and sell again on a weekly time frame. Okay, because market has done what? When market give us this what? Low, equal low, lower high, lower low, market break beneath this low. Market break below it. And now this is the pullback I want to see to this level, then drop again. All right, on a weekly time frame. So we are looking forward to sell from here. And of course, we can actually look for buying opportunity from anything around here. So now let's go to daily. Before we go to daily, let us mark out this area. We are looking for what? A buy to that area now. If we have opportunity for a buy, we're going to take it. If there's no opportunity, we leave. This is weekly support. Let me redo this one. But this kind of support is very weak. Market is coming to take them out. We have seen it. So now we have this guy is rejecting from this support that we have here. So let's go to daily now. Nice one. So this is the rejection that took place. This was the rejection that took place. And we have a higher that market took out. Market is using this guy now for what? A continuation. So this is a daily support. DS. Okay, that we can actually use for this continuation for a bar. And if you look at this trend line, market is giving us something that we call like a rising wedge from here. Okay, that is giving us what? A nice rising wedge. So we should be looking for a buying opportunity. So now let's go to 4 hours. Market has already tapped on that zone. So let's see the 4 hours. So here we go. This is the 4 hours. All right. Now, if you look at this 4 hours, you realize the market has already started pushing. Series of liquidity here. Okay, series of liquidity here. The market still come back to use the same zone and start buying. Okay, and what? And start buying. So market is on the move already. So let's go to 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour. So what 1 hour is doing here is giving us a nice structure here. So from here we have what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It's creating this. So this is how we love to engage. Then we buy from this area. Okay. So now let's go back to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, market has created a support with a rejection here. One. On 1 hour, my breakout has happened. Okay, 2. So this same zone, all this area is area I would love to take this trade from if market should come back. if market should come back to this area, we engage for a buy from here. Do you understand? So that is that. So crystals. Oh
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
yeah, where did you enter from? Please let's start.
I enter from below.
Yeah.
No. The other one, yeah.
Okay. Where did you put SM?
Below that your no, below that place, below that your line, sha, around that area, yeah.
Around here.
Yeah, around there, yeah.
How many position?
Just one, no, I don't take position. I don't start trade.
One position.
Just one position.
Okay. Where is your target?
You said?
Where is your target?
High, above this side.
Yeah.
Above your no, above, little. Above.
You see,
Above, yeah, around that side.
he passed this one.
Above the high, yeah, above. Yes, he passed this one.
Okay. Market can still come back to your entry.
No wahala now.
So that you know when to do
I don't
break even.
Eh?
You understand?
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry, bro, help me try BTC, sir.
Okay.
Please, don't forget your V50.
V50, yes. Once is 10:30. 10:30. Guys, what did I tell you yesterday concerning this trade? Can you see the buyers there? Market respects that zone and is buying.
I didn't buy it for 15 minutes yesterday, sir. I didn't get like 10. I didn't put another buy limit yesterday for 1 hour for 15 minutes again.
You know, I said it yesterday that we have the same medicine with gold. All right, the market is likely to come back here, use this area and start buying, and that is what market is doing now. Okay, that is what market is actually doing now. Imagine that if normally if I want to take this trade, right, I'll be taking my trade from here. Look at the rejection here. I can say, okay, let me put my SA around there and I will go up. So at the moment, no, wait till be this. Please, let's start. I will go to the upside like this, and that is where market is actually going to. Okay, so for now, I don't have anything on BTC. Market is only respecting the zone I said you guys should buy from, so nothing else.
Let me go that 15 minutes. So that buy me what I do, that maybe it's crucial.
Let me see the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour time frame.
Yes. Yeah, I don't know this is sell limit. Buy limit, I mean, sorry.
Market can come back here.
Exactly. Yes.
Market can come back here. Look for confirmation, then continue your buy.
This is why I do my buy limit. I put my SA here.
Where? Below here?
No, yeah.
Yeah.
For this fair value gap, this big fair value gap, go up small.
Okay, yeah.
Go up small. Yeah. Now where I put my SA is that.
Okay. Just know what you are risking.
Yes.
I think I've seen a sell on
Just only $10.
$100. Okay, I'm coming. Somebody said V. Somebody said V5. There's nothing like V5. Oh. V100, Abby. V100 1S.
No. 100. It's down.
Sir AK official. Nothing like V5. Oh. Please, let's stop. Let us clear the charts. Christas, please send me to mute your mic. Okay, so this is 3 months. We have a massive push to the downside, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So market created this low at the moment, so we are having a push to the upside. It's not actually no now because this gap can still be a continuation to the downside. It all depends. So let's check the monthly. So now what we have on this monthly, market is actually bullish now. Market is pushing up, and if you look at this area, market has already used this guy. Okay, but with the way I'm seeing it, I'm still seeing this guy pushing up. Where's my main target that I want this guy to get to? Is this guy. You see this area, this is where I want market to actually get to. So this is our MR. Now I'm not seeing nearest bus stop. Oh, that's not the nearest bus stop. This is the nearest bus stop that we have here. But my prediction, I want to see market get to this area. Okay, so now let's go to weekly.
No, I'm not saying it's an overall sale. I'm not saying like to little push to the downside.
Me and the analyze me. I'm analyzing. So once we get to that point, we know.
Okay.
Yeah, we will know. Yeah. Okay. So now on a weekly time frame, okay, we have this our nice support here that can give us some pushback. Can you see? This is our weekly resistance, and that is the nearest bus stop. Okay, that is the nearest nearest bus stop. So we still have a room to take it by to that zone. All right. Straight to daily. Now look at the daily on. You see that on daily, all this zone has been mitigated. This one to be mitigated. Only this zone above here is not mitigated. But now, if you look at what is going on here, this virgin girl that is hiding beneath here, that is where market rejected from yesterday. This guy. Okay. Oh, market has not even gotten there. You see that? So we have more rooms to look for more buys to the upside. Look at the way this candle closed. 2 days ago, bullish. Yesterday, bullish. I want to see another bullish. So this guy market has not even gotten there. So let me even take it out. Okay, let me leave it. Let's leave it. And let us reduce this our weekly. Please let's stop. Now let's go to our 4 hours. Now this is our 4 hours. Now if you look at what happened on these 4 hours, I love what I see here. Okay, this rejection was coming from it's a playlist that updates as the day goes on, matching the kind of music you actually feel like hearing right now. Check yours and see what Spotify's picked for this moment. And you're going to pray now. You and your friends all listen to the same song at the same time. So that all this one no concern prayer. So now we have this resistance that becomes what is support. That's why we have this rejection. Can you see the rejection? So when we have the rejection, market now created this our nice support here. Okay, boom. So from this support is our 4S. All right, so from there we want to begin to look for what buying opportunity to the what upside. So let's go to 1 hour now. So now this is the 1 hour time frame. Now if we look at what happened here, we have what from this high, low, equal high, lower highs, higher low. So this higher low market was unable to break this low. Was unable to break this low, and now market is trying to push to the upside. It's trying to push to the upside. Let's go back to 4 hours. Let me show you something on 4 hours. 4 hours is giving us a how will I call it? A sell setup here, which is our 4 hour. So from that 4 hour, let me see the 1 hour. It's giving a sell setup. So this 4 hour, we have this nice rejection. Can you see the rejection? It break this low. A market has already tapped in here for what? For the sell. So the sell pushed all the way down here, and now this side is actually failing. That's why I said this guy is ready to what? Start pushing to the upside. So you should be looking for what? More buys to the upside. That's what I can see right here. So I'm not sure this side is going to hold. Remove. So let's quickly go back to these 4 hours again. Alright, so this is the 4 hours candle, right? This was the rejection that I said it took place. Okay, and now we have this lower high. Market has created this lower high, and this lower high is rejecting from this point. So let's go to 1 hour now. You just need to be very, very careful with this. So let me quickly change it to line charts. Let me check something. Do we have a break here? Yeah, we do have a break. Yeah, is on. We do have a break here, where we have this higher high. We have this higher high. Okay, nice, confirm. Okay, so market came all the way here, reject from here, and now it's pushing. Beautiful. So let me go to 15 minutes. Okay, nice. So I like what I see on this 15 minutes. So 15 minutes has given us a from this high, push up, higher, low, push all the way down here, mitigate the zone. So now market has created what? Another support here. Look at this support with this rejection, higher high, higher low. So I want market to come back to this area where we can engage for a continuation. Okay, so now let me go back to 1 hour before let me see the zone I'll be using. Okay, so I would love to use this support area for a continuation for a buy now. This is 1 HS. Hopefully this guy can come back. Hopefully, let's go back to 15 minutes. That area, yes. So hopefully this guy can come back. Okay, hopefully this guy can come back. If this guy should come back, we're going to engage for what? For a continuation of a buy. $15T, where's $15T? Okay. Okay, you see that point? Rejection, So I want market to come here and buy. It can actually cause another rejection there, but nevertheless, we'll see within good suck from here. Somebody should help me to check this price if we engage from here. Okay, there. Who can check this one for me? I want you guys to be fast with this. V50 reminder after 30 minutes. Okay. There is a movement. Okay, thank you. Who can check this one for me? Let me put the price there. Please, I want us to be very verified. If I say check the price, please. On 15 minutes, entry here and SA here. Check the price to know how volatile it is, please. SA here. Who is doing that? Who is doing that? Who is doing that? Who is checking? Who is checking? Who is checking? Before we go to V50. Oh, mighty Jesus. Baby. When you're coming back, get me any soft this thing. My Piesha. I'll call you. Toba Timbo, call me. When you are coming, call me. What is the price? What is the price? That is for V100. Somebody should check. Let me quickly go to that V50.
Sorry, boss. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
For buy limit, it's only $5.
This one.
Yes.
The entry at the SL.
Yes.
$5, baby.
Yeah. If you want use 1.06, it's $5.
The minimum lot size.
It's not 5.
The minimum lot. Now they tell you so.
It's 1 and it's $10.
No, not reach $10. For buy limit.
Rich, you can hear me.
Okay.
It's $10. It's $10 for one. The minimum lot is 1 on 100. Then it's $10.
No water.
Entry points to this is $10.
Let me check. I will check myself.
Check now. Let me check.
Five, 6, 7. That is $10. It's $10.
What are you asking for $10?
Yeah, it's $10. So we are coming back to this. Let's go back to the V50. For which one?
I use one to two these days too. $10.
Okay. All right. So now this guy is actually dropping. So I don't need to take this one now. Let's take this one out. Okay. So we'll be looking for this buy. Let the market get to this area. Let's see what will happen around there. We'll see what will happen from there. We'll see what will happen from there. So let's go to that 100. Please help me to mute your mic, mute your mic, please. Let's wait for confirmation. Okay, so we now know that it's not that volatile. Everyone can take. So let me put alert here. So which pair do you want us to check? Which pair? V10-1S. Mr. Stanley. No be this one we talk about. And I want market to give us a rejection. Now him now. Let's go to 4 hours. Now him now. 4 hours has given a double rejection there. Let's go to 1 hour. Now him now. Market has given us the nice rejection that we want. So 15 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes now. Oh God. Let me see this area. Putting SL here. This will be to. Oh no. Let me see the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. This support here. Market has not come to mitigate it. Let me take it out. Please, let's stop. Because I'm looking forward to buy from here.
This way.
What do you say? Your network is bad though. So we'll be doing a buy limit on this order, on this trade. We'll be doing a buy limit. In fact, this my Let me look at this area properly. Okay, let me draw a shape from this guy. Please, let's stop. Take this slow. Okay, I think here is better. Let me go to forwards. Okay, good. 1 hour. Please, let's tap and share. Time frame is 1 hour. We are using 1 hour for this trade. So now let me go check the CP. Let me check the 4 hours.
My name is Dami, and we are the host of the Soul Nigerian podcast, where we gist about original Nigerian stories, pop culture, music, internet drama, and navigating life as young adults living in Nigeria. From hilarious dilemma to deep conversation with your favorite celebrities and creators. Search Soul Nigerian podcast now on Spotify.
Are you really leaving or just going through the motions? My name is Toka Makinwa, the host of Toka Moments.
So first TP is going to be
Remind you of Julia and who you're becoming. Ambition, invention, motherhood, love.
this trade is going to give us.
I guess I don't hold back, and neither do I. This is for the person navigating it all with grace, grit, and a little chaos on the side. Search Toka Moments on Spotify and come grow with us.
Then our first TP is going to be here. This I. Okay. Then the TP is going to be here. Okay. It's ready for this. Let us ready for this SL trade. Please let us tap and share. Beautiful. This TP1 is more than 1 to 2. Safe. V10-1S. Please, let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. So I'm only posting this trade only on the VIP. If you go down on this live stream, you'll be able to take this one as well. Hit 1 else. If you want to join our VIP is $20 for monthly subscription. And the 2 weeks subscription is $10. If you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. Please let's tap and share. My name is on Vita Awareness. There we go. So at the moment now, we are running little profits for this week. At the moment, we took trade 2 SL 1 TP. So the 1 TP that we have is about 2.60 something. So we are still in little profits. So and today is Tuesday. So let's see how it goes at the end of this week. Hopefully, it might be a bad week or, of course, another good week. For any trade you're taking, just make sure you have it in mind that this particular trade, straight to SL. Okay, straight to SL. So let us wait for the market to. Thank you, Vira. God bless you, Vira. So let's wait for market to come and tap us in. Please let's start. All right, let's go, guys. Okay, I want this guy to push back so that we can engage for a sell. Which one do we talk about again? Which pair do you want us to check? So those of you that are trading on a currency pair, please be very careful because of the war. I say war. NFP, the news that is coming up for 130. All right, please be very, very careful. Now look at what happened right there. You see the way market is consolidating around there. It's finding it very difficult to break the zone. It's finding it very difficult, and I'm looking for a sell from that point. But it's finding it difficult. You see the way market do as if it wants to buy, but eventually it still push down. Look at this bearish candle. It do as if it wants to buy, now it push down. It might actually be the candle that is going to give us the confirmation that, yeah, I'm going to sell. So let's check the 4 hours. Okay, so the 4 hours, you see what it's still doing right now. 4 hours is actually rejecting from here. And I love what I'm seeing here. It's rejecting from here at the moment. So let's go to 1 hour. And 1 hour has given us a nice rejection from here to rejection from here to. Taking a sell, putting a say here, putting TP here. No, I don't just want to engage leader. I want market to break this guy. I want this guy to break it. Once we have a break, then we're gonna take a sell from there. Let's check the 15-minute time frame. Now, if you look at this 15-minute time frame, John, thank you. Okay, you see the 15-minute came all the way up to come and mitigate this guy and this level as well. It came all the way up to come and do this. And now it's trying to react for itself. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is this. Please, let's start. Look at this. Okay. All right. So I think we're going to be having a set stop. Who knows set stop? We're going to be doing a set stop on this trade. I'm going to be doing a set stop on this trade. And how it's going to be? Set stop is going to be around here. My asset is going to be right here. I'm good, yeah? Then I go low. This is what they call a set stop. Okay? Go low to this zone. So what market is doing now, this is what we call a pennant. This is a pennant. Let me take this one aside first. Okay, this is what we call a pennant, which is a symmetrical triangle. So in this case, we might have a massive drop to the downside or a massive break to the upside. Two ways. That is what is going to happen. So now let me go to 4 hours. We can take advantage of both. We can take advantage of both sides, because at the moment market is respecting this guy. Market is respecting that zone right now. So if we're going for the buy, let me see where we're going to be using for the target. Number one, market has already used this daily zone right here. That is where market is rejecting from. That is why we're having this rejection. So if the market break out from that pennant of 15 minutes, I might be taking a buy opposite to this 3MR. So let's go to that 1 hour now. We go to V25, 1S and 75. Let us be patient. All right. So look at that. So this candle is going to close in less than 30 seconds. This 1 hour candle is going to close in less than 30 seconds. 15-minute candle is going to close in less than 20 seconds. So let's see if market is still going to consolidate inside. Okay, let us wait right here. Unlike others, when they are winning, you see them making noise. But when market go against them off, we celebrate losing track here, bro. We celebrate losses here. But overall, we make money. We celebrate losses, but overall, we make money. Big price, I agree to you. So now the candle have closed. Look at that. The candle have closed. So we still need to wait for another candle to close. So any candle that closes above, we buy. Anyone that closes below, we sell. That's what we're going to do on this. Any candle that closes above, we do what? We buy. Anyone that closes below, we sell. So we're going to wait for another 15-minute candle to close. That is going to determine what we're going to be doing right now. You get my point? In another 15 minutes, we come back to this. 10:15, please. V51s. I don't want us to lose guard on this. I don't want us to lose guard on this. Ojo, you said if you're interested in making money from forex trading, send me a message now. Ojo Tijason Sunmini David. I'm so disappointed in you. Look at the beautiful name you're bearing. And you're doing this kind of nonsense job. You have a good name. And when they give birth to you, your parents were actually happy. They were actually happy that they have a good son. God has blessed them with a good son. But look at what your son is doing. Look at what your son has turned into. You want to scam people. I'm so disappointed in you. They give birth to you. Maybe na ram they kill you. Maybe na cow they kill you. I don't know how rich your parents are. They celebrated you because they've given the birth to a wonderful son. Not knowing that the son is going to turn out to be what? A scammer. You disappoint your parents. Who even knows? Maybe your parents will say, but it's not good. This is what you'll be doing. And you transfer to your children. Please let us tap and share. So we wait. 15-minute candle have to close. If it closes above, then we go for buy. And if the 15-minute candle closes below, we go for sell. Are you getting me, guys? That's what we're gonna be doing. Simple. So my prayer, any break that we're gonna be having, I don't want it to be a very massive break. Do you know why? Because whenever you are having a pennant or symmetrical triangle, we always have a spike whenever market wants to break. My brother, send your request, my brother. I can see it. Fresh. So in 15 minutes, we're gonna be coming back. Fresh, what's up?
You and your friends all listening to the same.
I'm okay, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How you doing, sir?
That's what posting a jam on Spotify Premium.
I'm fine, sir.
You're welcome, boss.
All in together. Tap the banner to learn more.
Okay. So I'm actually looking out on the verse 51s actually.
Okay, you buying or selling?
You've been humming that song all day, but you can't quite.
I'm already on the buy, shallow, but I'm still waiting for the market to do what I'm expecting it to do.
Market is still consolidating.
Yes, that's my concern.
That's it. So I want to take advantage of any of the way.
I entered the buy from go to 4 hours. Let me show you something.
Okay.
If it's possible.
All of it with Spotify Premium. Tap the banner to learn more.
Okay, so I entered the buy from when market break up. You know that place now. There is a resistance, 24 hours resistance from that place, right?
Yeah.
If you should go to
this area.
24 hours.
Yeah.
So when market break up,
you reject.
Yes. Go to 24 hours. So
yeah.
Go to 24 hours. So we'll map it out.
Yeah, this is I've already marked it. This is zone. I have it here. Okay. That is the daily resistance.
So I noticed that market was respecting market structure. So when markets come back to this 4 hours market structure area, so I bought from there. Actually, I'm in profit share, but that profit is not giving me any hope because the market is not really moving what I expected at all.
It's not moving, right?
Not at all.
It's not.
It's just doing
it's because
it's doing
what market is trying to do is trying to come down here to come and fill this area and push up. One. And this guy here is holding the market from going lower.
Yes, from dropping. Yes, exactly.
So that is why we are having that. So that is why we have that pennant on that 15 minutes, and I have that trend line I draw. So that once I have a break, the break will now determine that okay, the buy wants to continue or the sell wants to continue to this area.
Wants to continue.
You understand? So we are waiting patiently. Just be praying. Pray to God. If you are a Christian, pray to God. Carry your Bible. Begin to pray now. That we want this candle to close above. If this candle close above, we are going to join you for that buy. We are going to join you on the buy, and our asset is going to be beneath here. Then we go up. We are going to join you. So just keep praying.
It's by grace of God.
Oh my God. He's still rejecting at the moment. He's still respecting that zone. So let's see what will happen.
Yes, he's respecting it so much.
Yeah.
Like too much respect.
So our brothers, Mr. Joshua, said we should check V25 1S. I told you guys that you should remind me a particular pair like that once it's 11. Which pair was that? Please, this one, I don't want us to forget
It's,
to 51S.
I think it's this Vita B or V1 that.
No, I'm not sure it's V10.
Or maybe 100.
It's not V10.
100.
Let's check the 100. No, this one I've already set alert here. One market to push back here. Alert is there, not 100. Is it V50?
Well, maybe
Okay.
25, sir.
It's not V50, 25. Okay, somebody said 25 1S. The Pala says 25 1S. Okay. What did I even talk about here? I think here. Okay. This was the one I said I want to see a break so that we can continue sell. Yeah.
Yes.
And I said we're gonna be continuing sell. So market is pushing up now. Let's go to 1 hour. Yeah, it's the one. That I mark out this 1 hour that I said I want to see a change of character before we're going to be buying. Market must break this high. Change of character. Now once we have the change of character, we do the 50%, then we buy to this area. Okay, good. So V75.
Seems like V75 want to come back after a dump yesterday.
Which one?
V75 as it seems like you want to come up a little bit.
Yes, yes. I want you to come up.
I sold it from day before yesterday, reach yesterday, because now yesterday it's my ticket. Okay, yes, day before yesterday night,
Mm-hmm.
I entered the cell. It's my ticket yesterday.
Yesterday. Wow. So market is rejecting for
I
me at the
posted it on
moment.
my TikTok actually.
Uh, I want this guy to break this low to come back to this area. So it's actually rejecting from me at the moment. So that's why we're having that pullback. So on 4 hours, I think I talked about it that this guy we need to wait till tomorrow. Yeah, this was when I said we need to wait till tomorrow. That once the daily candle close, that we decide maybe we're going to be buying from there or we're going to sell. Link Lavie, what's up? Good morning to you. Good morning to you. So we enter the sell limit on which one? Is it buy limit? Which pair was that? I'm doing well, my brother.
It was a buy limit one. Is it 10-1S?
10-1S. Here we go. Alpha, brother. You see the way market is dropping. And seriously, I wanted to call for a sale here, but I said no, don't let us to do that. Let the market come and meet us.
Actually, one of my as if me and you have the same direction. One of my guys messaged me that he wanted to enter by from that side, so I told him that entering by there would be a suicide mission, that you should wait first.
Okay, say from this our zone.
No, even he wanted to buy from the upside, not even this your zone.
Okay, from here.
From the up, actually. Yes.
Me say I did look at before, but I say, oh no, this is not right there. It's not right there. This is the best area if we are buying.
I went to view it from daily time frame, then come down to 4 hours, because you know this V10 1S now and V10, the two are mostly on downtrend, like they are dropping massively. So this retracement now is not even ready, because if you check it from 4 hours, you will see that there is a major zone that is supposed to break above before you can take the retracement.
Yeah.
If you check it from 4 hours now, you see it. Do the thing a little bit so I'll see it. You see that up. Naturally, it has break here now. Then look at this market structure from downside. That place that something like arrow is. No, downside. That place that something like arrow is. Yes. There, exactly. So
this is where we have the change of character.
To come and tap. Yes, now market is supposed to come and tap into that place because of this big gap. So if you want to take it, you'll be taking it around that zone. This your zone is good also, Sha. It's very good. That's where I see it from. So I told the guy that if you want to take it, you should wait so that market will tap into that zone. Because markets might just tap into that zone and then start buying up to this your TP.
Yeah.
Then when market take out this your TP, that's when you will decide if the buy is still going to continue
or sell
or not. Yes, exactly.
Yeah. We see what will happen. Somebody said we should test 50S. 50S.
51X.
Yes, now that was the one we were talking about. Can you see that? Market wants to break. 15 minutes. 15 minutes has break. It has break. It has break. It has break. It has break.
Let me go and close this my small profit. Wallahi.
Guys, wait oh. Just wait. Let me check this 1 hour. Okay. Go back to 15 minutes. 1 hour rejection there. Okay, wants to reject from here. Okay. It's not bad. 15 minutes. Please, let's stop. Okay. So guys, please enter your cell from here now. Our trade is running now. Enter your cell now. Give me a minute. Let me enter my own. Let me put the SL. Get ready for SLO. This one no be say this will go chop the SLO. You chop am 238 766 Okay.
The consolidation of this 51S is too much.
It dey consolidate.
It's too much. I rush make I go close my buy and I reach there. I just move to break even anyhow.
Do break even in case. You understand? Do break
I don't
even.
do break even. If you want take me out, make it
Take it. That's it now. I dey always talk am. You don't need to be scared for SL. To hell with SL now.
I said
You don't
the
understand?
consolidation is too much. I'm saying
Alicia,
that
are we still selling?
buy or
Are we still selling?
You are selling.
We are selling back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Risk what you can afford to lose.
I know.
Make you no go cry later.
Risk what you can afford to lose.
Hey. It's going to drop actually. It's going to drop. I'm seeing the dropping. I'm seeing the signs.
Guys, ready for this SL? V51S. Let me go post. Ready for this SL? All right, somebody sell. Don't sell it, brother. It's not safe for sellers. Okay. V75. All right, I'm coming. V51S. Get ready for this SL as well. V51S.
They get ready for me. Also, they get ready for SL.
V51S. Get ready for this SL. V51S.
Nothing beats a pure and honest conversation. The type that leaves both
Shut now.
connected and seen. Yep, that's TWT. high activity on every episode.
Me say me at the fair market. No, it concern me with market. It concern me say I enter say I go come the. Once I don't wait for anything, I will not wait for, man. I'm engaging.
To inspiring journeys. You find it on
If you want to take us out, then you take us out.
Search TUT on Spotify and listen now.
What matter is at the end of the week, how did I end it? Did I end it with SL or I end it with profit? So it no matter the numbers of SL that you have, that's it. It doesn't matter. What matter is overall at the end of the week. So I always prepare for that SL. So what I'm risking, I know, okay, I'm in for this, so I don't care. Whatsoever that happens, we go with it. Please let's tap and share. Somebody said, I love the fact that he's seeing SL on my channel. I said, we celebrate SL, yeah. We celebrate SL, yeah, seriously. Maybe I'm winning or I'm losing, you not going to even know from my face.
The main success of trading is when you start counting your SL, when you can be able to record your SL. How many SL are they get?
Yes, now.
After weekly, are they get like how many? Are they get how many weeks? But still, like they push.
Yes, now. Are you profitable on the long run? That's it. So maybe.
I always tell all my trading bros, say if you just start, even if you say you don't recognize something, when they take trading, they go your way. Start to record your SL.
Yes, sir.
And start to record your win after the week or the month. Because for example, now I know they withdraw every weekly. At the end of the month, and they make withdraw. Because I do compound planning. I started about almost like 3 months ago because you know what they do me before. If I just withdraw before you know it, I will go use fitness, enter market. Yes. I can't stop to the withdraw every time when I'm in profit. I'm going to do every end of the month. I withdraw, I go leave the one will go there inside the account. I stay my transfers.
Wow.
The thing can do me how they risk like my person again. Just they follow my plan.
Just follow your plan and keep trading. Forex is not something we say it's 100%.
Very, very risky.
It's very, very interesting. Forex is very sweet. It's sweet. Please let's stop.
This person when they write don't sell it, brother. Is he verse 51 S or verse 75 1 S?
No, this one we will they say now.
Okay. Sure. Anything can happen now. Whether sell or buy anything. Now two things now one go happen for inside market. As long as you get the confirmation.
V75.
Don't worry, just enter this thing.
V75S. Let's go to V75S. So this is one of the assets that we chopped from yesterday. One of the assets that we chopped yesterday. So I don't have I just want to be patient. I want this guy to settle down properly before I will know what to do. Let's go to daily. So, and I think I said it the other time. Okay, this 75 and the other 75 too. Is it 75 or 25? I was the one I said we need to wait till tomorrow. This one too, I think I said so. So this particular candle, this is daily time frame. This daily is rejecting from this our daily support. So we need to wait till tomorrow. So this candle will decide. Maybe I will continue looking for a buy from there, or market is going to break this neckline. Once I have the break from this neckline, I'm going for sale, and this is going to be the target. Can you see the target? So that means market is trying to give us what we call our M pattern. All right, so that means market is trying to give us what we call an M pattern. So we just go for sale there. But at the moment, market is on the neckline. This is the neckline, and we have our equal high here. Okay, equal high right here. So this is the neckline. So we need to wait. This guy will determine what we are going to do by tomorrow. So that is that for that. Please let us tap and share. Let us tap and share. So let's see.
Joshua, do you understand something? Say this synthetic, the market structure is more clean than normal FX market, normal forex.
That is structure.
Do you observe now? Yes, like the market structure. Let's say, for example, now you are trading market structure.
Yeah.
The synthetic is very, very clean. It's very clean. You can see it.
Yeah, it's clean on forex too, on currency. The thing where they scatter currency is because of the economy, the fundamental.
The news and all.
You understand? Now if they affect our way, we say go be like say no respect zones. It's just because of that, seriously. But aside that, both respect structures very well. My brother, Calvin.
Yeah, brother.
How you doing, bro? Good morning.
Just cool, brother.
You're welcome.
Tanzania now is afternoon, but good morning too, brother.
Afternoon, okay. Wow. How is the environment?
Yeah.
Is it cool? I can hear the sound of the bird then.
Yeah.
And how is our brother? What is his name?
Our in-law.
Our in-law. Do you know our in-law and our friend? Yeah, and the friend too. This singer, what is his name self? This is their top artists. Hey.
Diamond Platnumz. Do you know that artist?
Platinum Boys.
Artist, Diamond Platnumz.
Diamond. How is he? I like the guy and his friend.
You're cool, man. You're cool.
And his friend that came to marry our sister here.
Yeah. Juxi.
Yeah.
Yes, Juxi. Yes.
That's good. So what's up, bro?
The name. I just don't remember the name.
The name, exactly. Exactly.
Because you get one song where that this girl sing Cynthia Morgan. The song title now is Jama Juke. So I used the song title to remember the
name.
Yes.
Oh God. So what's up? How is your trading journey?
Do you want to share any idea to us?
Yeah.
Yes. Pardon.
All right, go ahead, brother.
Yeah. I wanted to share an idea about that V75 1S.
Okay.
I saw you took a sell. Yeah, I saw you took a sale on that zone. But I think I mean V70. I mean V50. Sorry.
V50. Okay.
V50. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, I saw you took some. Yeah, there.
Yeah.
I saw you took some sales.
A sale, yeah.
But for my expectations.
Okay.
On that zone.
Yeah.
Maybe we could wait the price to break that support.
The support.
I mean, yeah, that's level.
Yeah, let me go to
maybe, yeah.
This
maybe
level
it will be safe.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I
Down
got
there.
it.
No, down there. Down to those candles.
Yeah,
Those two candles close.
these two candles.
Yeah. Maybe if it break down there, yes. Maybe if it breaks down there,
Yeah,
I think it could be more safe. But for that matter,
yeah.
for my views, I think this price should buy at up to that price there at the peak. At the peak.
Okay.
At the peak. I mean, there you said that's right. You write it DR.
DR. Okay.
I mean, yeah. I think it should sweep that week.
This week.
They are above.
Yeah.
There.
Okay.
Yes, I think the price should go and
To the upside.
Price.
Yeah.
But if it break down there to the price I intended, maybe we could change the view. But for that price, I think the buyers are in controls.
Yeah. The buyers are in control at the moment. So what market is doing now is giving a higher high, higher low, higher high, and now this higher low. So there's probability that we might actually have a lower low and give us a higher high, taking this low out as inducement leg. You understand?
Okay.
So let me go to weekly. Now on weekly, right? You see this area. You see this zone. I'm seeing market breaking it below to come to either this area, but we're having a reaction from this level now. We're having a reaction. So this reaction can push this market back to this breaker. Or it can use this same area, this guy here. Look at the series of rejection that we have here. It can use this area and drop. So that is the buy bias. All right, so when we go to our daily, so when we go to daily, this was the daily rejection that we have from the weekly support. Okay, we have a low and a lower low, a low and a lower low, then we have a higher high to the upside. So we have a change of character to the upside. Market break this high, okay, and market now created a support level here. Can you see the support level? So there's possibility that market can push down to this support. And if you look at this support, that is a inducement for this area. So market can come and take this guy out and reject from this breaker and start pushing up again. So for me to believe that this area is going to be strong enough to give us a lower low, market have to break this low. He have to break this low for me before I will believe that this area is very strong. The sellers are very in charge to start pushing the market to the downside. But if I should have a rejection, a buy setup here, they can take a buy. The main place I actually want to see is for markets to keep pushing up to at least to this target right here, to at least, because market is on a downtrend. If you check, all right, look at this daily, look at the way we have this push, a pullback, another push. This is a nice pullback. Now we can have another lower low to the downside, which means this area that I said on weekly is actually a liquidity area, an inducement area for market to keep dropping to the downside. Okay, so when we go to our 4 hours on that area, on this current market, okay, on this current market, it's looking very, very clear. Yeah, on that daily, look at the rejections that we have. So daily give us a rejection. 4 hours has already given a resistance with rejection. Let me zoom. A resistance, rejection, resistance, rejection, another resistance now is giving us another rejection. So this is the zone that is holding the market now. This area that is actually holding the market. If any candle should break below this level, if it closes below, then I want to see more drop. I want to see more drop. You understand?
Okay.
So that is just my bias. So let us see. But if market wants to buy,
correct,
it can use this area right here, and start buying. And start buying from there.
It's fine, brother.
But let's see. But, anything can happen.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, brother.
God bless you, my brother. Thank you so much. Hello, Margaret. Margaret, are you there? Hi. Are you there, Margaret? $31. Okay. Whew. All right, let us analyze this one together. Please, let's start. Let's go to 3 months so that we can start this. We've not touched this one at all. Looking so fresh. Let us tap and share the live stream, guys. So before we start with this 31s, if this is your first time, you're welcome. My name is Rachel. Okay, I go live every day. Okay, let's do little advert. I go live every day, guys. Okay, every 9 a.m. All right, Monday to Friday. So weekend, Saturday and Sunday is anytime in the afternoon. I live stream both on YouTube and TikTok, which I am doing right now. So join us every day and trade with us and grow together with us. And if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. Click the link and join. And if you want to join my VIP is $20 to join for monthly subscription. Then the 2-week subscription is $10. Maybe you want to come and see what you are doing. Okay. So for the past 10 weeks now, we'll be having back-to-back wins, which is a new record that I've set for myself. 10 weeks in a row, back-to-back wins is a massive one for me, a new record. So this week we are on it again. Maybe we might close it in loss or we might close it in profit again. So we see how it goes at the end of Friday. So if you want to join the VIP, $20 monthly, 2 weeks, $10. And I'm having this mentorship class, a class that I'll be holding for just 2 months, 2-month program. Okay, and 3 times in a week. Group class is $50. Online one-on-one is $100. So this is for a discount. Okay, I'm doing this just for discounts. I charge more than all this. This is just for discounts. So it's limited. This time for registration is limited, but I don't have a time yet for this. It's still open for anyone that wants to join to register. Okay, so I will be teaching you everything I think I know about Forex. I might not know everything 100%, but I think if you know what I know, you will be a professional like the way I am. Because seriously, I won't lie to you, I make money week in, week out. I'm not a trader that will be showing you my how much I make. No. I don't. I don't do that because I don't want to be sending giving you some kind of what is it called? I don't know the English to use for it. Okay, but what you will only see is you will see what we do on our live stream. So that's why you need to join us every day and grow with us. So we've been doing this since last year November. By November, this year November now, I'll be celebrating my 1 year live stream. My 1 year live stream without missing a single day. So God is going to help us. Thank you guys. So let's go. 31s, that is what we want to talk about now. V10 didn't trigger us. Which one is V10? V10.
Is that V10 1S? Like, yeah, V10 1S.
No, it has not. It has not triggered us.
It seems like you've seen a reversal, so.
No, let us be patient now.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Right?
Okay. No, let us be patient. He actually came down to the zone I want to use before, I think. He never used, so let us be patient. It go trigger us. So now let us go to V30. Whew. Our running trade, making the update too. The update that I want is SL. You guys don't know what I used to do. If I engage on a trade, do you know where I used to put alerts? I always put my alert on the SL. Once I hear the alert bang, I know say yes, that is the SL ringtone. God.
Yes.
Some people go put their alerts on the TP once a year and they nothing concern me with TP. I swear. Nothing concern me with TP. I only care about the SL. It is swear.
It is well.
That time I go dey on trade, I go put alert to. Now so I go see the check am back time to time. And I don already put alert, so why am I stressing myself? Okay, so this is 3 months on 31s. This thing, what I'm seeing here, someone needs to be very careful. Yeah. Both sides. At the moment, this is what is going on. Market is rejecting from this guy, but there's possibility that we might have a break. Two things is likely to happen. It's either we have another massive drop. Okay, maybe we're going to be having bearish rectangle, another bearish rectangle, like that. You understand? Or this bearish rectangle, okay, this bearish rectangle might actually be a what? A reversal. It might be a what? A reversal. So let us check the weekly, monthly. Jeremiah, good morning. So if you check the monthly, you will see that monthly has already given us a higher high. This high was being broken by this. This high was being broken by this. This low was not broken. This low was not broken. And this low was not broken. Can you see the structure? Higher high. So we want to see another what? Higher high. That is what we can see on our monthly. Okay. So if market is actually buying, this is going to be a target that we'll be using. So okay, we'll make market come buy to this area, which is our what? MR. So at the moment, why are we having these rejections? And this is a CLT that market is giving us. Why are we having this? It's because of this guy. That is where the rejection is coming from, and it's giving the CLT. Are we clear? So now, what are we doing right now? Okay. You see this support right here? I'm seeing market coming here to come and give us a rejection. This is going to be a target. That's a target. I want market to come to. I want market to drop to this guy. So from here, we reject and form another support and push up again. On weekly, I love what I'm seeing here. Can you see what I'm seeing? We have a support level here with this nice rejection. We have a breakout, liquidity. This is an area where I would love to say, let me buy from. I don't know if you are getting it. Or this area, either this or this, and buy from there. Are you guys getting it? So now, for the sell, look at what has happened. When we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. There's possibility that I might have this higher high, lower low to the downside. Why is this bias like this? Of course, you see this area? It is my liquidity area. You see this area? It's going to be my entry, which is our weekly resistance level, which is going to be giving us what? Head, shoulder. I want another shoulder. Push up with confirmation. Sell off. Are we clear? On weekly time frame, that is what I want to see. But at the moment, what is going on right now? Let me reduce this rema. What is going on right now? Market gave us a break right here. Zones to zones now. Look at this resistance that becomes support. Now it's resistance. Boom! That is a weekly resistance level. Okay? When we have a break to the upside, market gave us a rejection here. This rejection break this high, giving us what? A break of structure to the upside. Now, market now came all the way down and disrespect it. When it disrespect the zone, this candle give us what? A nice rejection. After this rejection, what do you see? Market is giving a bullish candle right now. So we go to daily and begin to look for setups around this zone. Beautiful. Please, let's stop. Shall we never chop any? This one where everybody keep quiet. Oh. So we are looking for sale around here. And we're going to be talking about the sale now. Okay. Yeah, sorry. I saw the if okay. I'm going to reply your message. I saw the alert. I'm going to reply your message. Just be patient. Once I'm done, I'm going to reply to you, please. Just send the receipt. Okay. I will reply. Oh, okay. Yeah. We have this our 4-hour. Who's calling again now? Who is this? Sorry, I can't pick call now. Whenever I'm having a class, I can't pick a call right now. So we have this our what? Daily resistance level, which is giving us what? With a rejection right there. Okay. So what do I want to see? I go straight to 4 hours. I'm looking for sale right now. On 4 hours time frame. Okay. This was the rejection that took place right here. Okay. And this is a break that happened right here. You see that? That was a break. So I want to see market push up to this area, to push up here, and we sell off. So this trade, I am going to be having an aggressive entry on this. So let's go back to what? Our daily. I have a head and shoulder right there. Please, let's start. You see this area? I have this as head and shoulder. That is our DR. You get it? Then we go straight to 4 hours right now and look at the alignment that we have. What is the alignment? Look at that. We have this breaker right here. So I want somebody to help me to check the price. If it's not volatile, we are going in aggressive. So who is checking this for me? Entry. SL. Who wants to check this for me, please? On 4 hours time frame, 31s. 4 hours time frame. Let me know how volatile it is, so that we're gonna be having a sell limit on this particular trade. Who's doing this for me, please? SL 21 to 42 USD. No, you will have a accurate one now. All right, let me do this myself. It's about $21 to $22. It's not much. If you have the money, you take it. If you don't have it, leave it.
Nothing beats a pure and honest conversation. The type that leaves both parties feeling connected and seen. Yep, that's Tea with Tay. Hi, I'm Tennyson, and every episode I sit with some of the most interesting people in Nigeria and across Africa, and we talk. No filter, just real gist. From humble beginnings to standing in the spotlight, from life struggles to inspiring journeys, you find it on Tea with Tay Pod. The tea is always smoking hot. Search Tea with Tay on Spotify and listen now.
Are you really leaving or just going through the motions? My name is Toka Lakinwa. I'm the host of Toka Moments, and I have the kind of conversations that remind you of who you truly are and who you're becoming. Ambition, prevention, mood, love, lifestyle. We talk about everything. My guests don't hold back, and neither do I. This is for the person navigating it all with grace, grit, and a little chaos on the side. Search Toka Moments on Spotify and come grow with us.
Please, let's tap. Let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. I'm thinking of. I don't nearly forget because of our people. That was what I actually said. Let us. You should check the price. Some of them might not be able to take this because what I'm thinking is we'll be doing conservatively. So if I have a rejection, that will determine the SL I'm going to be using. So don't let us to do aggressive. Let me just put alerts here so that anytime market gets here, we will not miss this. So that we're not going to miss it. Now wow. Aha. So that we're not going to miss this, okay? People will not be able to take it. So wait for the confirmation. I've already created alerts there. I can never miss this. Once I put alerts, never, I can't. I can't miss it. Please let us tap. Let us tap. So let me check this V51s. This one where everybody is silent. What's going on? Why no talk? Okay, no wonder. No wonder. Because assuming say if this thing dey draw down now, some people go don talk say, hey, please let us tap. Let's tap. Let's tap. And now, if say you dey draw down now, I go down the hear some, but because then they go probably people just keep quiet. They just okay, nice one. I love the way we have this bearish candle, the way it closes below that low. It closed below this guy. I like it. So let's see how it goes. Let's see. Please let's tap. Let's tap. Let's tap. Let's see. Let's see. Let me go get my food. I'm hungry. Let's keep tapping. Bim Pami. Please, Ito. King, thank you, Jare. I'm back. Please, let's tap. Let's tap. Let's tap. Bello Junior, you know, come up today. What's going on? ẹ wá bá mi jẹun. Bello Junior. Kí ló wà sá?
Nothing that much.
You want dey lucky today?
Yes, I'm busy, a little bit busy today. That's why they come up.
Hey, yeah.
Yes.
No wahala.
Fine.
Hope say you dey on this pressure.
Yes, both.
Okay.
Both. The sell limit, I've done the sell limit. I didn't see the sell limit, this thing on time.
Okay.
Because when I got to my phone, I saw it.
You saw it?
I was around when the blind buy now this particular one.
This one.
I was
Okay.
on this thing.
Okay. All right. No wahala, brother.
This one we dey try find setup for synthetic. They thought say it seems that it's a little bit difficult for synthetic nowadays. Setup.
You know, any setup wey you see, go take am for now. If you no see, you no go take am.
No, what I'm saying that unlike before,
Yeah.
it is more easier to get set up.
Yes, now.
But these days, it is a little bit
very easy.
Yes.
A bit difficult now.
Yes, it's a bit difficult now. Because I noticed that even yesterday, all the players that I was checking, I'm finding it difficult to get set up.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a little bit difficult. But I heard somebody saying that I think they are having this thing. Most of the peers on synthetic are consolidating now. I heard somebody saying it. One of the old traders was synthetic saying that it's consolidating now lately. Most of the peers.
It's true. Now why we not see this thing like that now?
Yes.
Now why?
It's a little bit unlike before. For that V100, for those setup.
At the ready. Wallahi, we go down see am.
For those setup. That's everybody. Most of the people, those synthetic players that are long traders, they are going back to boom and cash.
Yeah.
Yes, most of them. I notice it. Because this one go talk say now if you go to their life, now boom and crash the trade. This one will say boom and crash. Why now no one go with volatility?
Yesterday, I saw one lady. She was trading. I'm like, I can't see boom and crash. I saw this girl get mind though.
And funny enough, they know how those things they go. But me, I dey always clear am.
I don't get the mind.
I dey always clear.
I don't get the mind.
You go see somebody they open 30 lot size for crash.
Yeah, I don't get the mind. And the question is, are they really trading it on their account?
No, I don't know. But even nevertheless, when person get mind to open 30 this thing for boom and crash.
Come on. People do.
People get mind though.
People do.
I can't because I don't want to put money from that my account. I dey grow up. You know, it's from set like it was $80.
Okay.
Now, from $80 to I was able to get it to 600. I mean, I think 600.
600 now.
Yes, 600. I don't even split the account into two self now.
Bello Junior.
$400 in one account and 200 for the trade we took today. I was in a little bit of drawdown. I think it was 5 something.
Yeah.
Yes.
If this one go well now, it go dey massive.
Yes, now. It go dey massive because it's both account now. I'm using. You know, I split the account into two. So at times I might not take trade any of my setup. I will trade it in the smaller account.
Okay.
Yes, the VIP signals I trade it on that bigger $400 account.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni.
But I don't stop the open 2 or 3 or 4 positions. Since I split the account.
It's better.
Just one position. It's just one position. But me, I know they follow your TP1 or TP1, I know they do it. Like yesterday, you know your TP1, that TP1 for yesterday trade that went to TP, that went to for the second meeting. I allow it to go up when before I close the first TP1 for the smaller account.
Okay.
I allow it to go to the this before I close it.
Wow.
I waited. Yes.
He did try. Well done. And they always talk if you get money to trade, you go enjoy this thing.
Yes, you go enjoy it.
If you get money to trade, you go enjoy them. That is the kind of level where I want make my people get to. You don't understand?
So even yes, now like some trades now, like you feel that I will reach high. That trade I will not even reach high. And funny enough, there are some synthetic that if you reach low self, if you are using like $18, you'll be getting something like $120, $100 as the TP. I think that. So why will I now reach this thing? So it's better for me to open like 2 or 3 positions in that case.
Wow.
So if one push up, I close one. I leave 2. If one reach TP1, I go close the TP1. I go allow push up small. If you push up, if you don't push up, I will close down like that. So I will leave one to run to TP2. Okay. So that's my plan for now. But I wanted to wait for a while to start before I start that back. I want to grow the account, let it get to that 1,000 first. Because like there was somebody that said that if you blow small account, if you blow as and you are thinking that his big account you can manage, honestly you still blow that big.
I swear account. You will blow the big account. I swear you will blow it.
You will blow it.
You blow it. That is why I go against when they say lack and lot size for small account.
Lack and lot size.
Because if you do that on a small account, because you have a small account, they now say, why will you be taking a swing trade on small account? Okay, if you take the trade on small account and you are able to build it, my brother, if you have big account, you will do the same.
You will do the same.
And you will eventually blow it.
Yes. The only thing I can advise people, if you are trading profit, you can buy big accounts.
That's it.
Yes, if you are using profit, you can buy big accounts.
You can buy big accounts.
If you are using your personal money, it's better you trade from a smaller, let's say $100 to
build yourself with proper risk management.
Yes, before you get to that account, so that you will know that okay, this is my profit. Let me be managing it.
Open the now playing screen on Spotify and swipe up.
I've told myself that I'm not going to withdraw. Unlike before, every week I used to withdraw.
Yeah.
So now I want to grow the account.
That's very good.
So because I want to be risking $100.
Small.
$100 offer.
Hey, my dog.
When I get to 5,000, for 1,000, I don't need $100. $100 too small for.
Yeah.
Yes.
That is what. That is what I'm working towards.
Yes. If you get like 5K account, your own money. Even though if you need money, you withdraw part of the money.
Yeah.
And still go ahead with your trading plan. If you are risking $100, even though you chop SN twice, like for one setup, you will still get those money back. Yes, now. So one setup. So I think it's a fair deal. I'm still thinking about the profit now.
Even though me
that funded.
Yeah.
I still want to put it by the side. If I can manage and pass the account, this thing will break this thing. See.
Oh my God. Is this going to be a mistrade? Is it going to be a mistrade? Oh God.
We don't already miss am. We don't already miss am.
Ah. Oh my God.
Because for this to reject back, this is supposed to close. It's supposed to close below this other candle.
Oh God.
For this to reject back,
Mm.
it must close below this. It must reject below this. Below this, what's it called?
Ah, hold on. No. Mr. Shifumi said.
It must close below this. This our TP1. For you to reject back down.
Yeah.
It must close below this our TP1.
Yeah. You have to reject.
Yes. You have to reject back to this below our TP1.
Yeah.
That one, you will still come back down. I guarantee that you still come back down before it goes up back.
How much you come? I have a message to read for everybody.
Okay.
And the message is Albert. Iwiwi Nes Imuntu Ari Kigali. Muzanze Rubavu Akaneye Akaze. Iwandikira Kuri. Enye numero 079-111-9411. Now only God and you, Albert, understand what they talk here. Only God and you.
Is it me that Kwakwala is telling that I should withdraw 3%?
I think so.
We will leave 3% to make my account grow first. The one I don't withdraw, don't do.
Because this message, I don't know what it means. Who can translate that language for us? I don't read it for now. Who can translate it? Mr. Jefumi said, Kiniwi.
Which language we ask?
Fresh.
Me, I just be listener. I don't even understand anything.
I don't know the language. I don't know the language.
Richard, when I don't miss this verse 10 one else.
I dey look am.
If you come back there again, there is problem. Go to 4 hours.
There might be problem.
So you see something. You see something. Go to 4 hours. Let me show you something.
But if this candle should close below this TP1, it's going to go down.
So you see that point, that place where the candle will come exactly for that 4 hours. Now that place the candle is supposed to come.
Well, no, you know what? Yeah, I know, saying at that place. But we have a zone on that 1 hour which I use. You see, this 1 hour, we still have how many this left? We have about 2 hours left. So this candle can still come down and do whatever it wants to do. If this candle close bullish like that, then it's a miss out. So at the moment, it's still not a miss out because this candle is still printing.
Okay, let me explain small thing again. Let's see if it's possible.
Ratio.
So you know, say that's like this drop down now is
okay.
Drop down now is manipulation from this.
That guy
candle legs.
Okay, he's doing live now.
She understand what I talk.
Yeah, I'm coming, sir.
He's doing live. No, today is NFP. Today is NFP.
Okay, want to trade NFP? Oh.
He wants to trade NFP.
God is going to help him. He's going to have a lot of customers today. He will get customers today. All right, press and listen.
So the thing now, before that downtrend, like before market breakdown,
yeah,
markets come to sweep the leg of those long weeks. These long weeks, markets come to sweep the legs, then do change of character. After the change of character, then he created that high. That candle now, the place that the market tap, that place is just like a hammer candle, right? So that hammer candle now is most times, based on what I have observed, most times it's just like a place the market just come to tap exactly and they move. Then if this market later reverses back and come and trade below it very well, like to come so down like that, there will be a little a little problem.
Anything can solve, but like I said, right? You see this candle. Now you go decide if it's a miss out.
Now better fly.
Now better fly now. See now from here. You see where it don't fly reach.
Jesus.
Not be small fly.
Too much. How many minutes remain?
We have 1 hour 38 minutes.
Okay, you still get time, Sha.
You still get time.
Too much.
You still get time. But my concern now is this candle, the way this guy close, this 1 hour here, this candle is a problem.
It's too much.
Yeah, it's too much. It's too much. So I will see how it goes. I might tell my guys to delete, but I'm still watching. Let us see what is going to happen. But if this candle should close above this TP1, if this present candle close above this guy, I will tell my guys to close it. So we are not going to do it conservatively. If I see a rejection with confirmation, then we enter manually. It's not going to be aggressive again. So that's what we're going to do on this. You understand?
That's my guy now. Go down the shop. He go down the enjoy now.
Which guy be that?
Later take the trade. My guy where they saying you want to take him from that up where.
Okay. Yes now. You know, see when I first use this area.
Because that place now exactly the market structure.
The time where they analyze it. Now this thing I first do now this level I marked before. But I can't look and say, oh my guy.
Well,
I use my fib level and say there's possibility that market might use it. So it might be a miss out. The way I'm saying it. It might be a miss out. Then
if the market breaks above that TP side, that TP area,
we go close them.
That means we are having a very
ratio. God works in a mysterious way. Don't worry, he'll come down.
Abi, anything will happen. Let's see. Anything can happen. Oh my God.
What is this one doing? This one not really want to move. Nothing. No worry.
This one?
You don't go hit my break even though.
Hey, now you don't push that now.
Yes. You don't push that. Don't go hit my break even.
So now you don't break this 15-minute support, which I want to see. So that is good. So once market hits our TP1, we are going to do break even on this. So we are still open to SL. We are still open to SL. So let's see how far. Please let's tap and share.
Everything is possible.
Yeah. So if you want to join us every day, we go live every day from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. in the morning. We live stream both on TikTok and YouTube. And I go live on Saturday and Sunday, anytime in the afternoon. So if you want to join us, please don't miss out. Make sure you follow me if you haven't. Any post I post on my TikTok, try to like, comment. And I love the engagement I've been seeing on my videos. I really love it. And our free Telegram group, if you want to join, the link is on my bio. Do well to join. If you want to join our VIP is with chickeny of $20. By the grace of God, by the time I start risking what I want to be risking, man, bro, I will increase that my VIP. I go increase them because all these top traders we did there too. Then I don't think they're doing. We they try. Don't let me to say this thing. You cannot be like say at least everybody see the try. But my VIP man is what It's worth 100.
It's
It's
brag
worth
small
100.
now. Brag small. Brag small.
No, you don't need to. You don't need to brag, bro.
Brag small.
But seriously, I'm just happy that ever since I've started the VIP since February, my brother they give me joy. February, March, April, May, June, July. 5 months. They give me joy. I won't lie. They give me joy. Seriously. So at least because I read one. I think somebody did a video on it on TikTok that the way you value yourself or you value your package or something, now so people go help you carry am. If I no package and well say okay on a high price or something, they go dey look am with small eye say omo wetin dey do there, which kind VIP be that with $20, which kind VIP be that, you don't understand. So and I think I can't wait. December no far again. I don dey talk am by December it's going to $50. By December it's going to $50 by the grace of God. Going to $50. There's somebody that called me. He wants me to manage his account. The money is actually big a bit. I told the person, I said, you know what? Join the VIP, I've been doing it yourself. He now said something, he said he's always busy and he doesn't really have knowledge about forex. I told him I'm going to think about it. Seriously. I thought I'm going to think about it. Because the account where they manage, right? It is still the same. This is my VIP where they no, but that's still the same. So if I make losses on my VIP, I dey make them from many accounts from my side. Not one account, I dey make them from many accounts on my side. Yeah?
To sinking.
That's why it's always good to trade according to your balance. It's very, very good. Please mute your mic. Trade. Yeah, brother. Yes, sir.
I say, how do you manage to place trade on those all your accounts and the one that you're managing and your personal account?
My brother, they do am.
Even these two accounts, you don't tire me.
No, you know they easy, but I dey do am. Once I don this, they always set them down because they take talk am.
Yes.
You understand? So once I just click my this thing, and they do the SL, the TP later.
Yes, okay. I understand.
You understand? Most of my once I don't say blind, me too, I don't click my this for my own, so I drop and do the thing I want to do for you. Later on, I will take my time to put my SL and then. In fact, see, for break even, I dey first tell VIP before I do my own break even self. Before I go do am for the account where they manage. Seriously. I go first type and do break even, then me I will come go my own, go dey do my own stuff too. So what I'm waiting for is just this thing so that I can link everything together. That's what I want to do so that it will be easy for me to what is it called?
Yes, before that we don't reach 1,000.
By the grace of God. That copy trading. Yes, copy trading.
Yes.
So I won't gather my money, make it swell up small. So we'll do the copy trading. Can do the copy trading. If I dey share ideas on this thing, I try to be doing it on Trading View. But I say they say I go subscribe or something. I don't get interest for that, Johnny. If I dey share ideas, all my ideas, if people they follow the ideas, I go down get followers. So for any platform where they use for that.
No filter, just real gist. From humble beginnings to standing in a spotlight, from life struggles to inspiring.
Please let us start. But they always feel joy and feel happy whenever I come live here to take trade with you guys. So that anytime we chop SL, everybody go to feel am together. You know, you go to look our eye, more they look ourselves. And if not, if we go celebrate that together. Ah, trading is very boring. Ah, me when we say my life is boring before. My life dey boring. I can't dey do forex again. You can't make me boring. Eh? You can't make me so boring. It's making me feeling so boring. Now I'm feeling like traveling. Make I just travel go Kwara State. I go spend like a week with my sisters there. And that doesn't stop my live stream. Anywhere I dey, I fit do my live stream, take my trade. So far there's network. I know they use desktop or whatever. Now tap. Me I be tap lover. Carry my stuff, go anywhere I want go. Very, very boring. Very, very, very boring. Please let's tap and share. Very, very boring.
Oh, guy, my network is fucking me up.
Hey, yeah. Hey, FTW. You are streaming from Kwara. My brother. I want Kwara, I want streaming. How are you doing? Where are you streaming from in Kwara? Where in Kwara? Where in Kwara? My wife is from Kwara. I lived most of my life in Kwara. We got to Kwara 97. I left Kwara 2011 to Lagos. So I spent many years in Kwara. Many years. So let me know the exact place in Kwara.
Hello.
I did my primary school, part of my primary school, secondary school in Kwara. Agbo Oba, Abi Ojoba. Is it Agbo Oba or Ojoba? Okay, that's good. Nice to meet you. My two sisters and my brother that is not feeling too well is in Kwara. All of them are in Kwara at the moment. My family still went to Kwara for this Muslim celebration that they did. So me myself, I'm planning to go to, because I don't go Kwara. I don't reach like 3 years now, 4 years where I don't step. My foot don't step Kwara, so I need to go to Kwara to go and see my sisters. So you can DM me. I can link up. Anybody with the Kwara, you can link up and see each other. You understand that kind of thing? Because I will be coming to Kwara to come and enjoy myself. So we'll enjoy it together. Please let's tap and share. Let's tap.
You guys say this tip you want on the show.
Make it go.
In the visual that the way they go like this.
Okay. Make it go. From there we'll be doing break even.
Go back to yourself.
No be today they happen like that, man. Since I never do break even, I see they expect that SL. Once I don't do break even, I know say nothing they stop again.
Yes.
Because see, market dey funny. If you enter a trade and you begin to say omo TP, the person make you just dey go TP. See, if that person is not careful, the person go get hypertension. He go get hypertension. Because market will now do as if he wants to eat your TP, and boom, you go say go just reverse with speed. Come back to your entry and still go in your direction again. The person go one mad.
The only pair where I feel they call God if I enter up, good. If you enter God, voila, you must call God. I don't want to know how good you are. You must call God. God, you don't even know. You don't gonna know the time when you go call God. Don't say, God, I beg, make this thing go down. Make it just stop.
But you don't tell you I don't take pay for gold. You don't tell.
Waiting God go don't carry people out. See, don't be small.
Oh, wow.
It's only God that can do. You know what I say? You always complain of GPY and this thing.
Yeah.
God can mess up your psychology.
I swear.
God.
I swear.
If you are not that strong and you dey trade gold, I will advise you to just stay out of it.
You no come get money, you dey trade down. You are in soup. Because the little money that you have as your balance, the 0.01, the least lot size, because you go know say this is no small. Your money don't go straight up. One account.
No small thing like this. Yeah, like those that NFP. This okay. Is it CPI?
Yes.
That last NFP.
NFP.
Last NFP.
Yeah.
When the thing just go up, when people, everybody they talk say na sell they happen today.
Yeah.
Everybody, even this your guy they do this your trading strategy. This profit trading strategy. What do you call it? Trading
Okay.
What do you call it? Strategy you are using.
God love.
The guy that did it, that South African guy.
God love.
Even I saw his post that he said, yes, God love. He said that he's selling that day. So I was just waiting for him to come up and say, don't blow account. Everybody was telling say, you don't believe that the thing just 1, 2, the thing just do boom, just shoot up.
It skyrockets.
If you see how 1 hour candle they move, voila, you go fear. Yeah. I know they try waiting no pass, they will wait past my power. If I open gold, now 0.001 I open.
0.01 the least.
The least, no matter how good the setup be, now 0.01. I know they try am. The only account I can use to try it is Profem account. I can open 0.1.
Yeah.
But for my personal money, no 0.01. And if you don't go up small like this, I don't close am.
Yeah.
Nothing. I know they respect TP for good. Even if we na dey advise you every day, one where if you tell me say make I leave anti TP, I no go answer you. Na good. If you reach half of this, pass this half of this what's it called? You will just sit and say, you just say, make I just chop, come back. You don't sit and say, the thing don't reach drawdown. Something we don't pass TP1. TP, we don't pass TP1. Small time like you just go. As you go carry food that time, come back. If the thing don't go draw down. You call the one that was say, who you offend? No, I know they try good. I know they play with good. And I get persuaded say, where my first mentor, na only good in the dream. I go dey tell her anytime we talk, and I say, Oga, you never leave gold. You just say no leave gold. No go damage your. Even your as you start saying you be professional, you go damage your psychology. Because you do set up now, small time, the thing go just go you go small, go back to SL. Go small, go back to SL.
Well, there are some people that are very professional at it. There's some people that are professional at it, but it's not easy, bro. And people too they hype am now. Why? People too they hype am.
If I want trade good, no,
people too they hype am.
Honestly, if I want to trade good, I must get like $10,000 account. Will be my own personal money.
Yeah.
Will be my own personal money. So if I open, where I go say I go open big lot size. If it still shoot up, I get like 1K close. Then I go rest. But make I wait for set up for good. No. I don't fit to. Because the professionals that are trading what's it called? Gold. Most of them have big accounts.
They have big accounts now. They have big accounts.
They have big accounts.
They have big accounts.
They don't
Because
mind.
there are some SL that will be demanding for like $50, $100, you know, and they will take it. So they have the money.
Yes.
But you will get small accounts. The one they trade the good. Go ahead. And seriously, most of all traders, while we were coming up, we all trade good. We all do that scalp of a thing because it's overhyped. They hype it so much that
yes.
they let us believe that is the only pair that can give you money. You know that is the only pair that you can do that is going to make on a very big lie. Even though this my TikTok, if you go and check my old videos, there was a time that na only gold that they trade, only gold, and I did do my trading plan and my journal at the end of Friday. Those videos I see on this TikTok sef where I did before I start my lifestyle. I know they do gold, only gold. I did it for like almost 6 months or so. Only gold. It is well. I'm even thinking about futures now, but I still want to take my time with it. But this authentics is just so sweet for me, sha. It is easy for me to get my head, maybe because I've understand many things, you know. So I just do some back testing and I do some forward testing for like a month, and boom. And now this is the 12 weeks. Yeah, I think so. I've been trading on these authentics. But the authentic is actually sweet. Something we I don't like before. The just authentic. I'm not Benny, no cause authentics here. My brother significant go say, okay, go check authentics now. Just check. Just not knowing that, in fact. And some people will still come to my DM, they go see talk, say, how are you doing it? How you they make money for authentics? That is very hard, is this? I'm like, hard, okay. When they chop SL, so maybe I chop 2 SL yesterday, now we chop 2 SL, we have someone to be here. So when they chop SL, but the main thing is, when it comes to risk management, I give it to myself. Risk management. Good RR. On the long run, I make money. I can't even remember the last time that I would say this thing is on massive drawdown. I can't remember. It don't take. And which is very good. So as a trader, if you have any money, maybe you have a big money, you have like $500. Let me say this to you. That is what I'm doing at the moment. Let me just give it out. All right. And that is what that is the kind of deal I have for the 2 accounts I'm managing. It's simple. Let's assume you have $500. You know what you are risking. You now say to yourself that, okay, if I should lose 50% of this, I will stop trading the account. I'm going to withdraw it. If you say this to yourself and you stick to it, my brother, if the account go draw down small, you go come back and you go still make money. But if you don't give yourself that kind of rules, that if you lose 50% of your balance, that you're not going to trade that account again, my brother, you will lose the money down to zero. That is why most people that they do money management, they fail. That they manage people's accounts because they don't have a proper training plan and a good agreement with that person. Number one, if you do that, you are going to be in a safe place. And the other person too will be on the safe place. You can't go into a business and you will think the business will actually go well 100%. It's 50-50. So you do it in 50-50 way. In case, if this thing not go well, and you see that you're having drawdown, all the trade you're taking is just bringing it down. You now go to 50%, stop trading the account again. Or else you'll be trading with emotions, and before you know it, money is gone, because you'll be fighting back to say you want to bring back this money to the balance. That is why most of us are losing profits back to back. Back to back. I can't, I'm training, that's what I do. And ever since I've said that, this thing for myself, I never eat 50% drawdown. I never eat them. Because I'm trying to be so careful. I never. Anytime I see say, okay, drop to 50%, I will not trade that account. I can give myself a break. Two things, you can give yourself a break for like a month without trading that particular account. Once you are back, you can come back. But if you continue like that, your account is laughing to zero. It's not going to help you. These are management. How you can manage things very well. Proper management. Proper management. Don't promise heaven and earth for somebody that you want to manage his account. God, don't worry. No, now this is what this is what we'll be getting every week. Something we know they sure for you. You'll be getting this in every week. Don't worry. You cannot lose the account. You don't have a proper agreement. And if you now lose the money, the person could use police, they pursue you up and down. Guy, you must vomit my money for me. You must give me my money. You must do this my money. It's not good. It's not good. So guys, I'll be closing this my live stream in a few minutes. I don't want to stay long today. Today is Wednesday and tomorrow is another day, Wednesday. It's like we have woke up today. We have woke up today. And I have a class this afternoon, so I need to relax. That's why I need to close any moment from now. I'll be having class this afternoon. I'll be having class this evening again. So I will try to manage my time. I try to manage my time. Please, let's start and share. Bello Junior, thank you so much. The woman is actually, she's very serious, so we don't start the class already.
Okay.
So I think today that we're having class, we are the third class. I think so. So thank you for the support. Thank you.
No problem. You're welcome.
Thank you. Please, let's tap and share. Woo! Guys, let us get prepared for November. November 18 is going to be 1 year. What are the things that you will do for me? Make it begin to the plan. Everybody begin to the plan for me.
Now we go do something for you, or now you go do something.
Now go do something for me.
Now it's about share love. Now it's about share love.
Who go share love? Who?
You now.
Me.
Who will follow your footstep?
Me. Are you guys whining me? Are you guys whining me?
You supposed to do your
holiday celebration.
No, your what's it called? Your mentorship class. $1. You pay $1. Everybody will join that time. That time to get what?
Okay.
You go give like 20. You go give like 20 people. Like 20 people $1. Maybe they pay $1. And your class go full.
You go
Your
full.
class go full for November.
You go full. Ah. But guys, seriously, everybody make na the plan wetin I go do for me.
By that time, you go get chance to open academy.
It's not my pet day, but na the day where I dey celebrate, where we dey celebrate 1 year live stream back to back. My pet day is January 4.
Now I talk we say I dey pray may by that time you go open your academy.
Ah, amen. Amen. Anything can happen. Amen. Amen. Ah, anything can happen. No. Seriously, because I don't know who's watching. Now let me bust your head. But this is my student. If it day this is my live stream. I just want to say something. This is my student from UK. So we spoke yesterday. We are supposed to have class yesterday, but guess what? I'm so weak yesterday. I don't know where sleep carried me. So we spoke and he told me something. He said there's somebody actually that he talk about me, blah blah blah. So the person joined my life and he was now giving him a report. Actually, that guy is this he's very respectful, blah blah blah. I'm like, hey. So what did I want to say in essence? What I'm trying to say is, even though down to those people that are managing their accounts, it is from this my live stream. From this live stream. Okay? Now why do you always make sure that I try to be good, although that's my own way of life. I mean, I know get wahala. I always make sure I do something that is we no go tarnish my name, my image. You understand? So I was so Omorin don't start again, God. Every day. Hey. So anything where they do, they always make sure say, Kai, anything will happen tomorrow. Somebody right there. If it be you, where they talk to, if it be you, anybody, if it be you, when we say go do talk, say, okay, Rachel, yeah, I heard you say something academy. You want to start? I said, yes, I want to set it up, but I don't have the money. Okay, how much are you looking at? I think I'll be needing like 7 million, 8 million. Okay, no problem. All right, so let's get it done. Hey! Oh my God, they happy. So if it be you, if it be anybody, if it be you, okay.
That's a prayer point.
It's a prayer point. If it is you, please come and do it, so that we can use it to celebrate the 1 year live stream. Because do you know what I want to get in that my academy? I want to get this what's it called? And they always envy those people who get that big screen, you know. When now they are going to do my live stream, guys, every day. Yeah. And if I won't buy that thing now, it's about like 2 something million. Not to talk of setting up the office, rentage of that space, buying a lot of things. It's a lot of money that I'm going to spend there. Just the screen alone is about 2 something million. I don't tell the price. For me to say I won't go buy car, my car is not my this thing. I don't buy car, drive car. That one don't. My car don't. That one this thing. Car no be my this thing. Waiting day now. Now to buy that thing first. So if you are there as that my helper, please my helper. These are the things I need. I don't talk am. These are the things I need. I want to set up this Ratio Academy. Which name you go call that? Ratio Academy, I mean. But seriously, I can't wait to have that kind of academy and we go explore. We will explore.
My God, gracious.
You explore. You explore with your support. I don't want us to say make we do. I don't want to say make we do contribution for this our live stream. Say every day more they contribute 1,000. if you do it for 1 year, now big money. Thank you. Let me leave it for you. Thank you. My technology. So guys, God go help us. It is well.
I go to it.
Yeah. So I'll be closing my live stream anytime soon. 4 minutes, I will close my live stream. Once it's one, I'll be closing. So if you have any question, quickly come up and send your request, or you can ask your question on the comment box. So if you haven't followed me, make sure you follow. If you want to join us, we go live every blessed day, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. Weekend is anytime in the afternoon. Our free Telegram group is there. The link is on my bio. Click it and join. My VIP is $20, while the 2 weeks is $10, while the monthly is $20. And if you want to join the mentorship class, the free mentorship class that I have, okay, is $50 for group class. I say free mentorship. Discount $50 for group class, then $100 for online one-on-one. So that is that for that. All right. Any question? You want to say anything before I go? I need to go. Anybody? So this is the only trade that we are on today.
Yes, boss. Now I want to ask a question.
All right, go ahead, sir.
Because he been taught me one or two things before, like that, but I don't forget it. You know, say things don't full brain. You know, say when I just learn that time, I know like just that me, I be kind of person who go to teach me something. Say I go to be like I know they catch her.
Okay.
Like that time, he be show me one or two things. Like yes, like maybe if your trade go far, you will come to remove the half inside. He been taught us that before, but I forget it, sha.
That is a
come full attention where like before.
taking partial.
Exactly.
If you want to take partial, is you don't use the least lot size for take partial. If you use the least lot size, you cannot do take partial.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. If the least lot size is 0.01, okay, and you use 0.1, yeah.
Yes, boss.
Like
Yes,
this
boss.
one, like that. This V50 1S.
Yes.
Let's say you open 0.05 now. 0.05.
Okay.
All you need to do, you just go to you slide that what's it called? That's your particular trade.
As if you want to close it.
System.
Yes. Okay.
As if you want to close it. Then you see one thing like copy. You see that thing like copy, you press it.
Okay.
On top, you see the lot size that you open. You just edit that lot size.
You will edit the lot size.
Instead of leaving it at 0.05, you have 0.03. You can close 0.03. Let's say you got TP1 now. And you feel like, okay, TP1 is a little bit fair enough for you. You can close you can close half, you can close 0.01. As long as it's bigger than as long as it's not the smallest lot size.
Did you understand?
Yes.
I think you understand.
All right.
All right.
Yes, I understand. Yeah, I understand.
Let's say you open 0.02 now for this particular trade now. You can close 0.01 at TP1. That's your TP1. Then you leave it to run for TP2. You leave 0.01 to run to TP2.
All right. So that is that. So Opeyemi, if you want to do break even,
So thank you so much.
how we do break even when I only open CP1? You cannot do break. Okay, yeah, you just move your SL. Okay, on your MT5, click it. You will drag the SL. You drag it to the entry point. That's it. You just drag it. Let it be below the entry point. That is the break even. You drag the SL. You drag it down to the your open entry point, or anywhere you want to put it, but make sure you put it at the entry point. Okay, So that is that. Thank you guys. I love you. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. God bless you. Take care, family. Bye. So on YouTube, thank you so much. Take care. Have a good night and bye bye.